Xin chào tất cả mọi người, hôm nay là một ngày chủ nhật rất là đẹp trời và Bách đang có mặt tại workshop định hướng học IELTS dành cho người mới bắt đầu. Nhân dịp IELTS Fighter 185 minh khai trương và trong buổi workshop ngày hôm nay có một phần rất đặc biệt, đó là chúng ta sẽ được test speaking, kiểm tra kỹ năng nói hoàn toàn miễn phí. Và hãy cùng theo chân Bách xem rằng là buổi test speaking này gồm có những gì nhá. Let's go!
Hello and welcome to the mock test conducted by IELTS Fighter. My name is Chuyên and I will be your mock test examiner today. What is your first name, please?
My name is Bach.
Bach, thank you, Bach. At the beginning of the actual IELTS test, you will be required to provide a piece of ID, but this one is a practice one, so we do not need to do that today. You understand, Bach?
Okay, I understand.
Very good. I want to begin by talking about you. Do you work or are you a student?
Currently, I'm working at IMAP Education Vietnam, and my major is PR marketing. I have to be in charge of, making content for the social media of the brand, and also I have to make sure that the contents and the pictures and images. I'm sorry, not picture, images are suitable for the brand's identity.
Now let's move on to part 2. Okay, I'm gonna give you a topic card and you will have 1 minute to prepare and 2 minutes to speak. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, so your topic is describe your or your friend's illness or injury experience. You should say what was it, when did it happen, how did you or your friend handle it, and say how do you feel about it.
Okay.
Your 1 minute start now.
Okay. All right, so I would not be thrilled to talk about this incident. It was back in August 2020 when the whole world was locked down due to the COVID-19. And my friend, of course, her name is Tham, and she's got COVID-19 as a whole. I was very shocked at that time because she was just living alone and I was living alone also. However, we often shares a lot of things together, like the work, the life, and the whole family. And somehow I became a part of her family. To be honest, at that time, the news were crazy about the COVID-19. We didn't know how to cure it. However, thanks God, at that time she didn't have a severe symptom. Therefore, after I remember 1 or 2 days, she was getting better after just 3 days, and luckily everything went smoothly and I don't have to be worried much about her health problems and COVID-19 problems at that time, luckily.
Alright, that's the end of part 2. And just a couple more questions before we finish with our speaking test. I'd like to ask how can people be encouraged to stay healthy in your opinion?
Alright, so when thinking about the way that people can be motivated to stay healthier, I must say that there are 2 basic ways to motivate people and to people be motivated to stay healthier and to get out there and work out. And the first thing is the impact of all the influencers and all the successful people right now. Besides being a successful person and they have a successful career, they also put a kind of healthy aspect onto that. When we ask Bill Gates, how can he be that successful and become a millionaire, he also put a side of staying healthy onto that. So I think the first thing is the impact of all the influencer and all the successful people onto the audience and all the people all over the world. So they got the impact, so they can be encouraged to stay healthier. The second thing is that nowadays they have the health problems of people are getting more and more serious days after day. We can observe, we can see that there's a lot of people getting cancer. Yeah, the numbers of people getting cancer are increasing days after day, and we can see that lots of uncommon disease, uncommon health problems appears all over the world. So they must do something. They must eat healthier, they must stay healthier, they must work out to prevent all of that. So for me, that's two main things that motivate them to work out and to be healthier.
All right, thank you so much. That's the end of our speaking test today. Here is a little bit of my comments on your speaking. Phần pronunciation của mình Bách nhá, thì cô thấy rằng là bạn là pronunciation rất là on point. Cái intonation của mình cũng rất là hay và tự nhiên nhá. Về phần lexical resort thì cô thấy rằng là ở cái phần part 2 mình đang sử dụng cái từ weird disease, đúng không ạ? Thay vì cái từ weird thì chúng ta có thể sử dụng những cái từ như là uncommon, abnormal, maybe, đúng không ạ? Thì nó sẽ giúp bạn đạt được cái điểm phần lexical nó more advanced, nó sẽ tốt hơn. Ok. Rồi, và cái phần speaking của mình thì mình có sử dụng cả câu đơn và câu phức, thế nên là nó sẽ giúp cái phần grammatical range and accuracy của mình sẽ được điểm cao. Okay, that's all for the speaking test. Thank you so much for coming today.
Thank you so much. Và các bạn ơi, Bách vừa hoàn thành một buổi test speaking hoàn toàn miễn phí trong sự kiện khai trương IELTS Fighter 185 Minh Khai. Và trong dịp khai trương này sẽ còn rất nhiều phần quà và những buổi test speaking miễn phí để kiểm tra trình độ đầu vào IELTS của các bạn nhé. Và hẹn gặp lại tất cả mọi người tại IELTS Fighter 185 Minh Khai và những tập tiếp theo của IELTS Fighter check-in nữa nhé. And now let's check out. Bye! IELTS Fighter, vì 1 triệu người Việt đạt 6.5 IELTS.